I'm going to show you an easy way to create websites. I know you want to create websites like this, which has everything from social analytics, competitor tracking, post scheduling, mm, our vision, one click install. Even it has the pricing starter, professional, premium. So let's get into it. So the first thing you're going to do is going to, as you can see on my screen, 10 web. Then we're going to say create a new website with AI. Don't try this out once. This is because maybe you want to convert your website to WordPress. You're going to use the second option. If you want to migrate your web hosting to Tenweb, third option, and so on. So let's get into creating a new website with AI. Let's go. So basically today you're going to create a digital agency website. What you're going to do is you're going to you're going to click on the first option, because if you click on the second option, I want to create a website with us an online store. You're going to create a website like those you see from Shopify. So go into the first option. Next, because today we are going to create a digital agency, click on it. Then we wait. Which theme are you going to choose and structure? If the ocean blue is mostly likely to attract big people because it's a symbol of power. So choose the second theme, yeah, which has reviews and more descriptions. You click OK. Then the company name, let's name it White Crow. White Crow. Describe your company. It is a digital agency. It's digital agency that deals with that deals with paid ads. Paid ads. So we're going to enhance it with AI to give us more clear function. Oh, sorry, deals. Deals with paid ads. So let's wait for the AI to generate a better description for the website. So as you can see, it has created a nice description for our company. It says creating and managing paid advertising campaigns through various platforms. Yeah, that's a nice description. Next. So even it outlines the main function from the description that it generated. So the main function is add the campaigns we are going to offer, strategic placement of these ads on websites, on social media, campaign optimization. So we finalize and wait for it to generate our website. But if you want to learn more on how to create a website with AI, check the link in my bio. I'm going to show you step by step guide of creating websites with AI and integrating them with other functions. So check out the link below and join our school where you will be learning more about creating things with AI so that you are not left behind when people are employed, those who have skills with AI. So not much to say. So just visit the site below on the description. Let's wait for it to finish. Then we see the results. We see the answers that we have been